Today's contest is between Gtechniq and Dodo. As always, we start with water droplets. The comment is yours. In the water repellency test, I'm trying to give equal water droplets to both sides. Wax and ceramic coating products in different categories, but we still want to compare, because they serve for the similar purpose. If you want to see the new products, please leave some comments about it. New videos will be added weekly. If you like and subscribe, it will be so helpful for us to use more different products and reach a wider audience. Dropping the mud exactly like the same as water? No need for so many comments. The results are so clear. We make scratches with a lighter. There is no need for more video shots. Dodo is the winner.